everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious shrimp pasta, Gemelli pasta. This is one pack, it's a 500 gram. We're going to bring the water to boil and we'll add into the water and it will take 9 minutes as per the instructions to get tender. The other ingredients: 2 teaspoons garlic, half teaspoon each sea salt, cumin powder, red chili flake, black pepper. Then I will be using cashews. If you haven't tried in your dish before, please try it. It really tastes well with the pasta, so please try it. Parmesan cheese, olive oil, then the sauce. We're going to use half of the jar. This is 32 ounce. It's a 2 pound, so we'll use 1 pound. And the shrimps I'm going to use, these are wild Pacific cold water shrimp. And this is 2 pound. I will use 1 pound. Prior to using it, I'm going to wash with cold water. And let's start making our delicious shrimp pasta. The first step will be get a pot and bring the water to boil. As the water starts to boil, we'll add pasta. This pasta will take 9 minutes. Once we add it, only one thing we need to do, stir it once. This is good. Now we're going to wait until 9 minutes. The pasta is boiling for 5 minutes. We have 4 more minutes to go. Now on the other side, we're going to start another burner. Get a knife, add olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, we'll add garlic. Mix it. Cook garlic until the raw garlicky flavor is gone. Add cashew. Now add shrimp. This is what I did. I washed with the cold water. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, we'll add all the spices. Shrimp don't take that long to cook. Red chili flakes, cumin powder, black pepper, salt, and mix it well. We're going to cook for a couple minutes. As you've seen, we washed it with cold water and shrimp retained the water, and now it starts to release the water. As soon as the water dries up, the time our pasta is going to be ready. So it's exactly 9 minutes, and if we check the pasta, it's all get tender. So it's all done. Cooking our shrimp for 2 minutes. We still have a little more water, so 1 more minute. So within 3 minutes, we have a shrimp ready. So our pasta is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas, and we're going to drain the water. And on this side, our shrimp is ready, cooking for 3 minutes. You don't want to cook longer than that. So I'm going to drain the water. Once the water is fully drained, this is how our pasta looks. And now we're going to bring pasta. Mix it well. So once it's nicely combined, add salt. So half can. So now mix it well. Since we added the sauce, We're going to cook for 2 more minutes. This is looking super delicious. You don't want to add too much sauce. Cooking for 1 minute. Good amount of parmesan cheese. Add parmesan cheese and mix it. Once it's nicely combined, add some more parmesan cheese. And mix it all. So altogether cooking for 2 minutes on medium flame. I'm going to turn off the gas and I'm going to dish out. So I have my serving bowl ready and we're going to take out all the pasta. And let me share with you. And prior to serving, sprinkle with parsley flakes. Our tasty and delicious shrimp pasta is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.